I hear you. You just finished your virtual assistant training. Yay! Congratulations. But now, what next? You've probably spent hours scrolling through job posting, wondering if you have enough experience to even get started. You might be thinking, how do I prove my skill if I have never had a client before? It's a frustrating loop, but don't worry, we've all been there. So I got you covered in today's video, so stick to the end. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyere, and I help you discover smart, quick, easy ways to make money online. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions. I will do my best to respond. So if you're serious about landing your first client as a virtual assistant or in this remote space, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on more practical tips that I share on a daily basis. Stick around until the end because I would also share a proven outreach script that has helped many VAs secure their first clients. Now, without further ado, let's even start by talking about the common struggles VA face. And that's because it's important that you know these struggles so that you can face them head on. Now, these are the three biggest challenges that I've noticed that most VA face. First is overwhelmed. You're overwhelmed with so much information, but where do you exactly start from? Secondly is uncertainty. You keep hearing sign up on Upwork, try Fiverr, use LinkedIn, but how exactly do you even start? The third is the fear of failure. You know that tiny voice that creeps into your head saying, what if you try and you still get no clients? What if you try and fail? Here is the truth. Everyone feels that way, even me. When starting something new, even experienced VAs get nervous about pitching to a client. But the key is to take action despite the fear, because the fear will always be there. Step number one to get started is to create a simple game plan. Before you start applying for jobs randomly, let's set up a plan that actually works for you. Number one, write down your goal. What do you want to achieve in your first month as a VA? You don't want to be everywhere. SMART goal. Example could be reach 20 potential clients this month. Secondly, optimize your LinkedIn and social media. Make sure your LinkedIn clearly states your VA service. Don't just copy and paste someone else's profile. This is what most VAs do. Make it personal and professional to you. Now, your task after watching this video is to write down your client's outreach goal for the month and optimize your profile to get started if you have not done that. Step number two, announce your VA business. If no one knows you're a virtual assistant, how would they even hire you? Have you thought about that before? Post it on LinkedIn, brag about it on Instagram, talk about it on Facebook. Start by talking about your virtual assistant business. Clearly mention who you help and what services you offer to them. It is totally fine to carry your business on your head. This is what you should not do. Posting, hey, I just finished my VA training with no clear services or who that you're directing it to. Instead, say this: I'm officially launching my virtual assistant business. I help list your ideal client with list the services that you offer to save time and grow their businesses. Now, if you're still with me on this video, your task after watching this video is to write down and post your VA business announcements today, not tomorrow. Step number three, create content for your ideal clients. Your social media isn't just about networking, it's a marketing tool too. So share valuable content that attracts your target clients, not just your fellow VA. And that's where many virtual assistants get it wrong. You start creating content for VAs that would not employ you. Create a content calendar. You can use Notion, you can use ClickUp, you can use Airtable to stay consistent. Post about how your services can help a business owner. Example of a content idea could be 3 ways a virtual assistant can help small business owners save 10 plus hours per week. Another content idea is 1 mistake coaches make when managing their email and how I fix it. Now, This is targeted towards your clients. Your task after watching this video is to plan out your next 3 content posts tailored to your ideal clients. Step number 4, outreach. How to attract or to get your clients. And here is where most VAs get stuck. They know they need to reach out, but they don't know what to say. Now, you need to find potential clients on different platforms. And I've talked about platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram. You can use Facebook groups, but you need to personalize your approach. Don't send generic messages like hi message that is all over the internet. What you have to do is to use this proven outreach message that I've drafted here, and you can send a message saying, hi, mention your client's name. My name is, mention your name. I recently started or finished my virtual assistant training, and I'm starting up my virtual assistant business, and I'm currently offering my services to a few selected individuals this month in exchange for honest feedbacks and testimonials. Now, for this, it could be for no monetary commitment. I just want to help you and gain experience. Let me know if you or anyone in your network might need a VA support. Looking forward to hear from you. Now, you can also modify this if you're looking for pay, but this is if you're looking to do it for free. Go ahead to personalize it, check their LinkedIn post or website, and mention something specific about them. Again, you don't want to sound generic. Now, send these outreach messages to 5 potential clients today. That is your task, not tomorrow. I need you to start taking actions today. But before we go into wrapping up, let's recap how to get your first VA client. Step number 1, set a game plan. Define your goal and optimize your LinkedIn. Step number 2, announce your VA business. Let people know what you do. That is the only way they can employ you. Step number 3, post content that attracts your ideal clients, not your fellow VA. They are not the one that will pay you. Step number 4, start reaching out using outreach messages like the template that I shared with you. And trust me, you'll get favorable responses from your ideal clients. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried any of these strategies before? What has been your biggest challenge as a new VA in this industry? Let me know if there is anything specific you would love me to cover in my next video. I have a bonus opportunity and I waited to share it to this very end. You can also join my virtual assistant training. I do run free trainings bi-weekly where I share with you everything you need to know. Or you can join my paid virtual assistant training where I literally hold you by your hand, teach you how to brand yourself, teach you how to promote to your ideal clients, teach you all of the skill sets that you need, and you also get me to be your mentor and join my community of over 1,000 virtual assistants. If this sounds like what you're also interested in, then you want to check the description section for the link to sign up for my next upcoming virtual assistant training. Happy getting your first virtual assistant client, and I cannot wait to see you win. Bye.